freeze plugs. The ones I loosened up so you could just pull them out easy. Ooh, that's scuzzy. That's the cooling system.
That feels pretty good.
Yeah, so we'll get them freeze plugs. That's not a problem. So, back to this exhaust manifold situation. And that's kind of the situation. That's gross. Ooh, yeah, get it. I'll give you $5 to lick that.
Show me.
I don't know if I have it, but I can sell it to you.
I don't want it, Zell.
Do I have money?
Where'd your wife take it all?
That's usually what happens.
Oh, God, that didn't go very far, did
That
it?
was smooth, wasn't it? Did you get for talking shit? Yeah, so we got one to get off here. Should we turn it and work on the other ones just to see?
Yeah.
I wonder if I could get the...
I bet we can do that.
I wonder if we can get the lowers at least. Let's do that and those freeze plugs. And then we'll come back to this. And then we're pretty much there. I do want to check main bearing or rod bearing probably. Yeah. Yeah? Yeah.
Some point.
At some point.
All right. Pretty much see what we can do on the other side. The freeze plugs. And I'm probably done with this thing for the day.
Yeah, and then we'll start cleaning it up next week.
Yeah, Monday.
Monday we're doing King Midgey, remember?
That's right.
You're picking up the motor for it Sunday.
Yep.
Because Harbor Freight here effed me. Yeah. Anyway. So, get that apart. Happy. Biatch. Alright, so we just did hell with it and cut it. Because we knew we were going to have to drill it anyway. That's kind of warped it with me. There we go. Oh, wow. Yeah, the metal gaskets. So the manifold actually isn't horrible. I mean, it's so rusty and pitted, we probably want to replace, but we'll look, we'll see.
See what the owner wants.
Yep, but here.
We'll set it on the good piles right now.
Yeah, so basically just cut and grind and clean, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, you bitch. Ooh, there with the gasket. Oh. Oh, that gasket was... Oh, wow. That's the problem when they use those metal shim gaskets. They come apart and then look at it erodes into the head. So we're going to need to really take, once we get these out, well, we need to try to clean this first and see if it's still flat or if it's just eaten in, because a lot of times it rots the steel shim gasket out.
Yeah.
And then the exhaust gases just erode it and it's effed. It'll never seal. So,
Okay.
let's get the other side and then clean her up and see what we got.
Sounds good.
That thing's rusted together, ain't it? All the bolts are out, or at least the heads are broken off, because it's a rusty, crusty disaster.
Mm-hmm.
Are you going to change the oil on the block?
Yeah, exactly. Andre is here to be a smartass. Smartass commentary. But Andre LaPlante.
I like the Thunderbird.
Yeah, that car's bitching.
And what is this, a 390?
390.
Is it a 390? I got a 390 and a 72.
Love 390.
They didn't like them in the Mustangs.
I like them in the Mustang.
Even though that was the Bullet car had a 390.
We need... See if you can put something right here, Bernsey, because it's got a gap. It's definitely moving.
Yeah.
But it's got a gap right there, and you can go plop.
The studs are probably bent.
Oh, that and they were rusted the fuck. I mean,
Yeah,
feel how
but-
hot this is because I had to torch the shit out of it just to even try to get them.
Oh, Jesus.
We had everything glowing.
When did you... Oh.
Like
Shit,
half an hour
15,
ago.
20 minutes ago.
And it's still that hot?
Yep.
Yeah.
Try driving.
There it comes.
Ooh.
There we go.
Just like a sorority chick on prom night. Slowly loosen up with some heat.
God damn, Andre.
Like I'd know. I've only been with like 3 fish.
Ah! This motherfucker.
This is why I like when he comes around.
Andre is the greatest comic relief of all time. There you go. It's funny because it comes out and it slides back in. Where's it sticking on?
Maybe that one?
No, it can't be. Get your pry bars out.
I'm saying when you go,
Beat it off.
you get over the trash.
You get some cleanup to do after this. Watch your neck.
Dude.
Dude, what the fuck? There's something stuck in there. Bang it a little harder, Bernsey.
That's what she said.
Bang it harder. Oh, yeah. Oh my god, you made me stick it in. What? Yeah, don't bang on the manifold because they like to shatter. That's no fun. I know, right? You're at that point. Might as well just break it. Like, what the fuck is it caught on?
Because there's nothing over here to be holding it.
That's pretty incredible.
I'm afraid it's going to fucking pop off. Hit me in the foot.
Well, you're wearing your OSHA-proof flip-flops, so...
No, I'm actually wearing my shoe now.
I know, I'm just saying.
That's later when I go work on behind. Dude. Oh,
Is it like gooped on?
hold on.
I wonder if it's gooped on. What is it? What is it, Lassie? Timmy fell down the well? You're gonna hold your thing. Your little... No, baby!
What's this one right here?
Is it like stuck on that bolt?
Yeah.
Because it's food. Golly. I ain't never seen one that bad.
No, it should have fucking slid right off. But no. It's literally...
It's stuck on the end.
Hold that for a second.
Uh-oh.
No, I'm not going to do anything dangerous. Try to walk it a little bit.
It's not gonna be dangerous. You told me to hold your beer. That's your pry bar and hammer.
Dude.
I don't get it. How it's that
It's
stuck.
straight on this one.
Is that stuck down there?
Yeah.
Careful. Do you have a bigger bar we can hit in there to just pop it? You want your big boy? You want the big boy? You want the big boy? Gonna hit it with the big pee-pee. Not the little pee-pee, that's the big pee-pee. That's the big pee-pee. Ooh. Ooh. Bombs away.
Dude. The other side wasn't even this bitch. We broke like
I mean, this only has one on the bottom that was on there. That thing is fucked. There it goes. There we go. Good God.
Oh, that's how fucking rusted it on. Good luck getting that bitch out.
Oh my God. Wow. Wow.
Wah, wah.
So all these gaskets were no bueno.
Assholes? Yes, we are. Thank you.
I said axles.
Oh, axles.
But we are though.
I appreciate it. How much does Bobby owe you?
Well, you gotta go talk to the boss.
Oh God.
You know how much it was before.
I don't know. I'll ask her.
Give me your key card.